Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Node.js on your Windows PC. So, if you are a beginner, then this video is very helpful for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, open any browser on your system. I am using Google Chrome and search Node.js. Enter. Here you can see the official website of Node.js. Now click on it. Downloads. Now you can see get Node.js version 22.17.1 LTS long-term support for Windows using Docker with npm. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows installer. Click on it. File size is 30 MB. Right click, open. Next, accept a license agreement. Next, the file directory, program files, Node.js, keep it default. Click on next. Node.js runtime, entire feature, core pack manager, npm package manager, keep it default and click on next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Check this box and click on next. Install. Wait for the installation. This will take a few seconds, hardly under 1 minute. It will completed. You can see Node.js has been successfully installed. Click on finish. Press any key to continue. Click continue, enter. Press enter. Yes. Minimize and search cmd. Type node -v and enter. You can see version 22.17.1. Also, to check npm node package manager, type npm -v and enter. If you see version for both, congratulations, Node.js is installed successfully. That's it for this video. You have now installed Node.js and confirmed it working on your system. If you found this video is helpful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you face any issues. I am here to help. Thank you guys.